Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: game version, ritual tome, and 3 soul shards. Once confirmed, head straight to the hollowed altar at night to start. Approach the altar and position yourself at the north marker. Make sure you have at least 1 empty inventory slot. Begin the ritual sequence by equipping the tome, then trigger the first incantation. You should see a soft blue aura. This first action seeds the state required for the next, so don't interrupt it. You continue by casting Incantation Beta while holding the tome. This synchronizes the altar to accept a soul shard. Once the aura pulses, drop exactly 1 soul shard into the altar slot and step back 2 paces. Immediately use an Ember Charge within 12 seconds to lock the shard's resonance. The timing matters because the altar shifts phases. If successful, the altar will flash red then violet. Now hold still and watch for the emblem above the altar to stabilize before proceeding. You finish by reciting the final phrase from the ritual tome while maintaining focus on the emblem. Say it clearly and steadily. Once spoken, interact with the altar to claim the temporary title, I am God. Make sure to open character info to verify it appeared. If the title fails to register, repeat the ritual using a different colored soul shard and ensure no background effects interrupt the incantation. A single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.